Hey guys, today we'll try to understand how Google Sheet helps us with its innovative features like smart chips to place data in Google Sheet. But there is a hidden feature which helps you to pull data from the smart chips as well. The feature is called data extract, which is available in data extract. Now let's understand first why is this useful? So this data extract is mainly used to pull data from the smart chips that are being pushed onto your Google Sheet. We know very well how do we put the smart chips, which we have learned in a previous session. I have included the link of smart sheets in my description, which you can use to refer how we can create smart chips. Yes, we see it, but we need to first understand what kind of data we can extract. So we can extract people data, we can extract event data, and we can extract place data. Place usually you do not get anything but a URL. And lastly, you can extract file data. Now let's insert a chip. Suppose I have my name as village. I have this smart chip which is included, yeah, on my Google Sheet. Now I want to get more details on this person who is included. There could be other people like some of my friends whom I can use. Yeah, I can put the names below. But let's try to find out what all things you can extract out of a people data. So I'll go to data. First, I'll select the cell in which the smart chip is available. Then I'll go to data. I'll go to data extract. And on the right hand side, you will see there is a new window that has opened up, which helps me to refresh this current chip. Yeah, I'll say refresh all, it will refresh my current chip, or it will ask me to extract. Now there are various options. First, it is asking me from which cell you want to extract the data, what kind of information you want to extract. So these are the 5 information you can extract out of a people data. So this is limited: email, name, location, phone, and title. So suppose I select both, all of them. Now, where do you want to extract the data? In B2 cell, so the data would start being pushed from here, B2. If I say C2, it will start to push the data from C2. So from this cell, yeah. So it will take data from A2 and push all the above 5 one by one from C2 onwards. So let's see, we'll pull the data for my name on all these 5 columns. So I'll say extract. Now you will be able to find that it has my email ID, it has my name, but it does not contain my location, phone number, and title. That's why it is empty. Yeah. Since the email address which we have selected as a chip does not have my phone, location, and title, it will come up with an error. So it doesn't have any data. Yeah. So for people from the smart chip, we can extract email, name, location, phone, and title. Let's go to the next one. So suppose I have an event. So at the rate of which event should I choose? MIS discussion. Okay, I have an event called MIS data discussion. I select the event as MIS data discussion, press enter. So this is the event that has been selected. Now let's see what kind of data we can extract out of event as well. So I again select data. I'll say data extraction. Now here the options have changed. Yeah, it is asking me to extract the data from A6, which is my MIS data, which is the chip for event, smart chip for event. It is extracting the data from there. And what all data we can get from an event. So you can get a summary of the event, you can get an URL of the event, description, start date, end date, who is the organization, who are the attendees, what is the location of the event. And it will start adding or updating your data, showing your data from B6 onward. So let's try to extract the event data. Yeah. So my description has come in. Why you did like to extract one description, start date. Yes. Yeah. So it has extracted my summary. It has extracted the URL of my event. It doesn't have a description. So uh, it doesn't have a description. That's why it is showing as NA. Yeah. It is showing me the start date of the event. It is showing me end date of the event. Who is the organizer of the event? Who are the attendees of the event? And where is the location of the event? Now, here, the description is empty. What I'll do is, I'll try to go to my event MIS data discussion, and I try to put some description onto the this is MIS. Okay, I have added something at your backend. I won't be able to show you directly. Yeah, and I'll try to refresh this. Yeah, here you can see the description which I have added right now has got added here. So this is how you can pull data from people and event. So let's see now for place. Suppose I want to add a place called Mumbai. Yeah, Mumbai place. Yeah, Mumbai. I add Pune. Why I'm adding two right now? I want to show you can do multiple by selecting multiple pills at a time. So right now I'll just select both the pills together. Yeah, sorry, not pills, it's smart chips. Let's be very specific when we are talking about some terms, technical terms about Google Sheet or any kind of software that you learn. So smart chips, we have added two smart chips for place. I've selected both the smart chips for place. Now we'll go to data. I'll say data extract. Yeah. Now place will always give you only the URL. So I'll say extract. Yeah. So this is the URL you can see which is available. So usually you can extract a place, majorly the URL which is available to go to that place, and you can find the place where it is. So this is how you can use the place option. Now we'll go to file. So what you want to see in the file. So I'll say at the rate. I want to see, suppose. Suppose I create a file. I'll say new file, new spreadsheet, and add some columns to it. I'll add name, uh, designation, and title, and the OT. I'll say empdata. So I have created one file. Now I want to extend the file. I want to know the metadata of the file. We do not extract the content of the file through this. We always pull the metadata. I'll show you what do you mean by metadata. So I'll say employee details. We just created that file. At the rate. Just okay, I have to refresh it. I'm very sorry. I have to refresh this file as well so that it pulls the data. Now it should show me. Not become smart chips as such. At the rate. Am I giving the right name? Hmm. Yes. You can see here the file has, it takes a few seconds because I've just created the file in front of you. Yeah. Now what do I extract? When you try to extract the data, it will extract the metadata of n file. So I say data extraction and you will find the metadata. What do you mean by metadata is the description of the file. Description the files in the sense it's file name, what it is type, if it's in a form of URL, what is the creation date, last modified date, last modified time, owner, and it will extract the contents from B14 onwards. So let's extract all this data and try to understand. Yeah. So you now be able to see that it is an EMP details file, which was my file name, MIME file type, which has come over here. Yeah. Now the URL of the file from where I can pull this file, creation date when it was created. So I just created it. The last modified, who modified this file, last modified time, and the owner who created that. So owner of the file. So this is how you can pull information about people, event, place, and file through the data extraction option, which is available on Google Sheet from smart chips only. Yeah, so you can use it. You can use it through formulas as well, which will show at a function module, which we'll be showcasing at our later sessions. Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you and have a nice time.